to Station 1. Clear for production cycle.
Material loaded. Spool 4 Alpha secured.
Safety zone clear. Arming AFP robot. Alignment check. Green.
Contact confirmed. Initiating wrap sequence.
Rotation speed nominal. Tension holding steady.
Zone 2 complete. Moving to center line. No defects found.
Surface tolerance check. 0 deviation. Continue.
Approaching terminal point. 5 centimeters to go.
Cut sequence complete. All zones covered. Disengaging.
Cycle finished. Prepare for East Asian vacuum bagging crew. Team A, start bagging sequence. Watch for wrinkles on surface 0.
Vacuum pressure active. Check seal integrity. Seal is green.
Transport moving to autoclave 4. Clear the aisle. Speed holding steady.
Autoclave ready to receive. Rack alignment checked. Proceed slowly.
Entering chamber. 5 meters to stop point. Keep center alignment. Door closing. Engaging locking pins. Pressure seal confirmed.
Temperature 350 degrees. Pressure 90 psi. Curing cycle started.
Cycle complete. Venting pressure. Opening main door.
Debagging in progress. Surface looks nominal. No defects.
Ejecting mandrel. Core is free. Fuselage is standalone.
Transport arriving at Station 5. CNC team, prepare for docking.
Position held. Hydraulic clamps active. Hydraulic clamps active. Pressure nominal.
Drill head aligned. Loading tool 5 Bravo. Spindle start.
Cut initiated. Vacuum pressure stable. Maintaining RPM.
Sequence A-4 running. Spacing nominal. No surface cracks detected.
Door frame L1 cut. Cut complete. Coupon dropped. Cleared her to proceed.
Interior integrity check. Structure remains stable. Lighting nominal. Cutting phase complete. Section 41 cleared for rib installation. Moving to line B. Section 41 docked at structural assembly. Frame loading team ready.
Frame number 22Z Alpha secured. Lifting for insertion.
Entering fuselage. Clearance check. Port side clear. Starboard clear. Green frame aligned and secured to the inner wall. Confirming positive seating on the stops. Radial expansion active. Frame locked to skin. Pressure nominal.
This specialized robot.
Station 4 fasteners engaged. Rib 20 locking sequence. Top quadrant secure. Rib installation 50% complete. Spacing check nominal. Continuing to aft section.
Floor grid positioning. Beam 4 Alpha locked. Check level.
Internal structure cycle finished. All ribs and floor beams secured. Section 41 departing for major join. Clear route to Station 10. Transport arriving at MOJ Station. Wings are staged and locked. Prepare for fuselage lift.
The overhead crane system provides the precision needed to align the fuselage with the wing box assembly, a critical step in the build process.
Laser metrology system online. Axis X aligned. Axis Y needs correction. Adjusting.
We are clear on the starboard side. Maintain current speed approaching contact point. Contact made. Weight transfer in progress. Soft dock complete. Actuator sequence initiated.
Confirming pin alignment.
Green indicators across the board.
Bearing bolts look secure on this section. Over.
Roger that. Check sequence 22. Alignment check complete. Proceed with riveting sequence.
Roger. Sequence active.
Section 4041 in transit.
Forward alignment check. Elevation matched. Closing the final 10 centimeters.
Nose contact confirmed. Locking collars engaged. Front section secure.
Tail section entering from Zone B, moving west towards the aft joint. Aft alignment check. Lower the tail 2 millimeters. Hold steady.
Tail contact confirmed. Hard dock complete. We have a full fuselage structure. Coming down slowly. Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Looking good.
Fin seated. Main bolts secured. Crane disconnect. Crane disconnect.
Major assembly phase complete. Structure is unified. Handover to systems team.
Jacking sequence initiated. Lifting to installation height. Monitor level sensors.
Main gear modules arriving at Station 50. Clear the underbelly zone. Left main gear inserting. Alignment pin matched. Push to lock. Main trunnion bolt secured. Torque verified at 500 foot-pounds. Nose gear in position. Preparing for uplift. Watch the bay doors. Attention ground crew, aircraft is settling. Stand clear of the landing gear.
Nose gear seated. Drag brace locked. Safety pins inserted. Cargo lining installation progressing. Aft hold 50% complete. Jacks clear. Aircraft is self-supporting. Secure the chocks.
Station 60 control. Aircraft secured on jack points. Ready for power plant delivery.
Power plant 1 arriving from engine buildup. Clear the wing station. Engine positioned under pylon 1. Alignment check. X-axis good. Prepare for hoist. Bootstraps connected. 4 points secure. Slack is taken up.
Acknowledged, easing back slightly. Now coming forward. Looking good, confirmed seated. Lifting load. Cradle clear. Going up, 10 inches to contact.
Contact made. Primary mounts aligned. Insert fuse pins. Control, Bay 2. Torque sequence complete on engine mount Alpha 9. Hydraulic line 3 secure.
Latch engaged. Radio check, status green.
Cradle removed. Engine 1 is self-suspended. Weight load nominal.
Engine installation phase complete. Structure is fully integrated. Ready for paint shop.
Assembly complete. Aircraft 001 is structurally cleared.
Status.
Tug control to tower. Moving aircraft to paint hangar 4. Requesting door open.
Spraying initiated. Zone 1, nose. Flow rate nominal. Tail section coated. Base coat complete. Drying cycle active.
Livery application. Blue channel active. Logo registration perfect.
Final coating cured. Gloss level 100%. Prepare for rollout.
Tower Dreamliner 001 requesting taxi to runway 27 right.
Dreamliner 001, engine start confirmed. Oil pressure rising, ready for taxi.
Dreamliner 0001, runway 27 right. Wind calm, cleared for takeoff. Off power set. TOGA engaged. Release brakes. Airspeed building, 80 knots, V1.
Gear up. Gear up and locked, and flaps retracting. Departure control, Dreamliner 001 passing 5,000 feet.
Perfect flight.